Hey guys, welcome back to Fire Foods. In today's video I'm going to make a new dish which is chicken fajita tortilla cups. It's super cheesy and delicious, so let me show you how to do it and let's make some fire foods. First, start by chopping up an onion. Then you will need some colored bell peppers for the chicken fajita. We're going to use orange, green, yellow, and red bell peppers. Cut them into medium-sized pieces. Now for the chicken, I'm using boneless chicken thighs. Cut those into slices so they are easy to cook. On a cast iron pan on medium heat, add some oil, then start by adding your chicken. Leave it for a couple of minutes, then start moving it around to cook on all sides. Once it starts to cook, we can add our seasonings. You will need salt, black pepper, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon paprika, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, and finally 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Then give it a quick mix. Then place it on another plate and set it aside for now. In the same pan, turn up the heat on high and add some oil and put your vegetables that we already prepared. Stir the peppers and the onions around until they look like this. Then go back in with your chicken and give it a quick mix. Before we take out our chicken fajita, add some shredded cheese on top and let the cheese melt with the chicken. That will ensure that our chicken is creamy and delicious. In a cupcake tray, add a little bit of oil and with an oil brush, brush the tray so it doesn't stick to the pan. Then try to place a small tortilla in each one, just like this. Then fill each tortilla with our chicken fajita. Finally, place some shredded cheese on top and place it in the oven on 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Now look at that, that was super delicious and honestly I could eat it every day of the week. Make sure to try this recipe and share it with your friends and family. And that's the end of the video guys, make sure to like, subscribe and click the bell to get notified for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.